This is Richard down in the garden. I'm letting Nicholas learn how to drive the little tractor. We'll see how he does. So I'm letting him practice on digging some dirt over there and bringing it over here and dump it on the pile where I'll have the driveway eventually. But I got a dirt pile over there that's been hard dirt for a couple years, so it's hard to dig, but I'll let him practice so he can learn what he's doing. Everybody's got to learn sometime. I got to go to work. I got to leave in a few minutes, going to Mobile and then back up to Montgomery, Alabama tomorrow. The pumpkins are dry and dry and dry, and it's going to be 101 Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. So I'll take a short walk across over here. I need to spray this with Roundup before I leave to go to California next Friday. So by the time I get back from California, it'll be dry and dead and I can plow it up. Well, let me see how Nicholas is going to do on his first bucket of dirt. Nicholas! Nicholas! You got to back up a little bit. No, back up a little bit.
I lift it up a little bit.
Okay, now tilt it. More. More. Okay. Now come forward. Okay, now start tilting it. Start.
Come closer so I can hear you.
I'm trying to take the video. Start tilting it. Keep coming forward. Okay. It'll take him a while to learn. He's got about a shovel full in the bucket. Check you later. Bye.